Welcome to Educamly AI and Machine Learning Masterclass, your complete journey from fundamental to real world development. Module 1, Maths and Stats Refresher. We begin with a quick but a powerful refresher on the math behind machine learning. You will understand vectors, matrix, derivative, probability, distribution, and statistical concepts like mean, variation, hypothesis testing, and correlation. Everything you need to make model work. Module 2, Supervised and Unsupervised Algorithm. Next, we explore the heart of ML algorithm. With supervised learning, you will work on linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, random forest, SVMs, and gradient boosting. In unsupervised learning, you will implement clustering, dimensionality reduction, PCA, and anomaly detection, building intuition through hands-on data set. Module 3, Feature Engineering and Model Selection. Great models start with the great features. You will learn how to clean, transform, encode, scale, and engineer new features. Then we deep dive into selecting the right module using techniques like cross-validation, grid search, hyperparameter tuning, and performance trade-off. Module 4, Neural Networks and Deep Learning Intro. We will introduce the deep learning with intensive visualization. You will learn how neural network work, layer activation, loss function, optimization, and backpropagation. Using TensorFlow and PyTorch, you will build your first neural network for image and text data. Module 5, Model Evaluation and Explainability. Accuracy is not enough. We teach you how to evaluate model using precision, recall, F1 score, ROC, AUC, and regression metrics. You will also learn explainability tools like Lean and SHAP so you can interpret model decision and build transparent AI system. Module 6, MLOps Basics and Development and Monitoring. In the MLOps section, you will learn how modules go for experimentation to production. We cover model packaging with Docker, API development with fast API, CI/CD basis, and a real-time monitoring to track model of performance after development. Module 7, Real World ML Project. Finally, you will complete a real end-to-end ML project. You will collect data, train it, engineer feature, build and train a model, evaluate it, deploy it as an API, and monitor it. Exactly how real data science team work. By the end, you will have a portfolio ready project you can confidently showcase. This course is designed to take you from fundamentals to development with a practical assignment, quiz, real data sets, and hands on project. Let's begin your journey into the world of AI and machine learning.